What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It's KT Auto. Today's video, we're going to be working on Big Bourbon. As you guys see, I got a lot of stuff here behind me, from engine oil to gear oil to suspension parts. Before we do jump into what's actually here behind me, one of my boys, he offered to let me use his lift at his house. So he's going to be helping me out with a lot of this stuff. Some of it we both have never done. Some of it one of us has done. So should be a pretty interesting video. It's kind of going to be a little all over the place. I think it's going to be a big change for the channel, and good to see something different. So let's go ahead. Let's see what I have. All right, so off of the initial look, you guys can see I've got an oil filter. Obviously, I'm going to be doing an oil change. I've got inner and outer tie rods here. I've got a ball joint here for the lower control arms. I've got an ABS sensor. These here are from Dirt King. These are basically alignment pins and cams for me to put on the truck. I'll show you guys why I got these. I've heard a lot of good things about them, so we'll see. I've got some gear oil for the front differential. I already replaced the rear differential fluid a while back, but I didn't realize that, or I guess I didn't think about the fact that I had to do the front diff. So I bought some of this for the front differential. I've also got some engine oil here. It's about that time. And then I've got transfer case fluid. So a lot of minor things, but are going to make big differences for me. After I get all this alignment or this suspension stuff done, I will be taking it to an alignment shop tomorrow. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's jump into it. And I'm going to show you guys why I bought those alignment pins and cams. If you come in here, you can see this alignment pin right here. It's just sticking out. You can see it great. Coming over towards this side, you can't really see it. It is in there though. If I go a little closer, you can see it. So what that tells me is this one's probably not even completely seated and not completely flush. If I go to the other side, you can see I'm completely missing one on this side. So what that tells me is my truck is not aligned. Mind you, I went to an alignment shop. I got the truck aligned. They aligned it. After the alignment was done, they told me, hey, you got a bent tie rod, inner tie rod, and your alignment pins are damaged. Not missing, but damaged. So with that being said, that is why we're doing this. For those of you that don't know, your alignment cams and pins basically do exactly what it sounds like. It helps with your alignment. So to give you a better visual, what the upper control arm alignment cams are for is for your truck to basically have the alignment this way and that way. Your tie rods are going to have the alignment go this way and that way for your wheels. So looking at mine, I'm assuming my steering wheel is straight. Doesn't look bad. Like I said, I just got an alignment, but I think it could definitely look a lot better. So with that being said, considering some of them are basically halfway sticking out, other ones are just not there, my alignment is not going to be perfect this whole time. I don't even think it's perfect now. So now that I got those new ones installed, one, they're going to be basically, they're going to stay put. They're not going to be able to adjust and move all over the place. They're going to stay where they are. Two, the alignment should last a lot longer than how those will. All right, guys, so we just got to my boy's house. We're going to start doing everything now. Got everything out and loaded. So we're just going to get straight to it.
Actually, put it on the inside. Yeah. Go ahead. Oh, shit. That's good. There you go, you're loose. I really just wanted to get this off so in case any weight falls on it, I don't want it to.
Yeah.
You stay up by your mom.
At this point, I should just grab two of them.
Honestly,
yeah.
Because you can see it's kind of a bitch.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Alright. So.
Oh, that had to come off anyways.
Yeah.
Alright.
Number one, so fail.
Yeah.
Oh, it's done for now.
I just don't have anything.
All right, guys, so it has been a couple of days. Unfortunately, there was a few things that we couldn't get installed. One being the lower ball joints. It was basically impossible to get those things installed. So I went ahead and I ordered new lower control arms, and then I left the alignment cam pins at home. So I couldn't get those installed either. I literally hired a welder to come out, get them welded in for me, and I go to the alignment shop, get everything done, and I forgot them. So I was really disappointed in myself. I was really upset. But it's all right. I went ahead, I ordered the lower control arms. Those came in already. I'm gonna show you guys which ones I got. And then hopefully in the next clip, we'll be getting this stuff installed. Oh, also, driving at home, I noticed like a kind of like a grinding noise. It was the wheel bearing. So I'm gonna order a new hub as well. And that's gonna be another thing we installed. Luckily, it's happening now instead of after I get the alignment done, because that would really suck. All right, so these are gonna be the lower control arms. These boxes are extremely heavy. I ordered them off of carparts.com, so I usually order a lot of my parts from there. So hopefully the part isn't as damaged as the box looked, because that would be very unfortunate. And they came in 2 separate boxes. I'm assuming because of how heavy they are. Maybe it was cheaper. I don't know. But let's get this bad boy cracked open. So I like to always check my parts before I actually get them installed, because if I have like 2 driver sides or 2 passenger sides, then I can't get the job done. So you always want to inspect your parts before you actually plan on doing the job. Very, very hard note to sell. So as you can see, they are from 2 completely different sides. So that's the driver, that's the passenger. I'm good on that. Let me see if I can find the nut for this one in the box. Also, I don't know if you guys are as slow as me, but if you have any questions or concerns about if you have to go OEM with your lower control arms, you have to do some type of aftermarket that can adjust to your ball joint angle and all that stuff, you can go OEM. I have a 6-inch rough country lift on my truck, and I called like 4 different shops and all that type of stuff, and they told me I can go OEM. So if you have any questions to that, here's your answer. You're good. Go get what you need and get your job done.